Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In lesson 1 of chapter 12 angles, we studied angles at a straight line. Okay. Now lesson 2 we will be studying angles at a point. Angles at a point. Okay. You need to uh, understand that angle at what is the meaning of angle at a point. Okay. Angle at a point means that anywhere. Okay. If this is the point, or we need to make a circle. Okay, this circle is angle on a point. Okay, angle at a point is equal to circle. Okay, circle, complete circle, like this. Okay, so we know that if on a straight line, what is this semicircle? We know that angles at a straight line is angles and points on a straight line is equal to 180. So this semicircle is equal to 180. Okay, so we have another semicircle, this one. Another semicircle is equal to 180. So we know that two semicircles is equal to full circle. Semicircle 1 plus another semicircle, okay, is equal to full circle. Mean to say, this is semicircle 1 and this is another one. So it is complete a full circle. Okay, so semicircle 180 plus semicircle 180, it becomes full circle. Full circle is equal to 180 plus 180. Okay, so it becomes 360. Okay, so angle at a point is equal to always 360. Okay, so this you need to keep in mind, that angle at a point is always equal to 360 because on a point there is a circle. Okay, so we will learn this and apply this in coming examples. Okay, so they say that if there is a straight line like this, okay, and we have this A, B, and this is C. Okay, they are saying angle A is equal to 135. They are saying angle B is equal to 45. Okay, and angle C is equal to 180. So when we add this ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C, it becomes 135 plus 45 plus 180. Okay, it becomes 360. So this means to say, from if we start from here and again come here, okay, so it becomes a full circle. Circle is 360. So this circle is equal to 360. Its parts are these three are its parts. Okay, A is 135, B is 45, C is 180. So when we add up, it becomes whole circle and it is equal to 360. Then page number 244, we will see what is there on page number 244. They are saying Wx and Yz are straight lines. Wx, this is Wx, this is a straight line, it is given. Okay, and this one Y and Z, these are straight lines, it is given. They cross at a point to form, they cross here. This is the point where they cross. Okay, and they form angle A. This is A, angle A. Okay, this is angle B, this is angle C, and this is angle D. Okay, so they are saying, tell us, number 1, angle A plus angle B, how much? This is the first question. So we see angle, this is angle A, we start from here, this is angle A and this is angle B. So we stop at here. Okay, so it is equal to this is dark line. Okay, this is A plus B, A plus B. So it becomes a semicircle. So we know that semicircle always equal to 180. So this is equal to 180. Okay, then they say part B, angle C plus angle D. So now angle C, this is angle C. I'll use this blue marker. This is C, okay, and this is D. So it is like this. So C plus D is also a semicircle. We start from here and we end here, okay. So this is a semicircle. So C plus D is also is equal to 180. And point 3 is C. They say angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D. How much? Okay, we need to tell. So we know that A plus B is equal to 180. So we can say A plus B is equal to 180. C plus D is equal to 180. So it becomes 360 because it becomes a whole circle. A plus B plus C plus D. It becomes a whole complete circle. It is equal to 360.